I'm not taking back anything I've said yet. Fuck outta here with all those sorries that you're best at. I'm tryna make it through the trenches, catch all this action, go off on tour and swear I'm never looking back then. I seen everybody watching but nobody talking. Don't need validation, I'm just thinking how iconic it's gon' be when I step onto that stage. I'll have Alex in the back, always keep it for my six. Yeah, I'm built for the shit like Kobe in the fourth, coming clutch with a 3 like Michael with the notes, bitches screaming out their lungs like fire in my chest. I'm not taking any rest, I'ma pop 'em with a head falling, but I got angels watching over me. Why you keep hoping I don't meet my ends? Wait till you get to see what I became. Falling, but I got angels watching over me. Why you keep hoping I don't meet my ends? Wait till you get to see what I became. She a little Pisces, loved her to death but she went left me in a crisis. Like Oprah but she always moving in disguises. Now I've been working through the nights to up my prices.